All right, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? Welcome back, welcome back. So we are back again in new video reaction. Normally, I'm not supposed to, release this video now, but on the second thought, I said, okay, let me release it because I will just finish live broadcast. Then I check my social media. I find out that Gentle have released a response to the trending voice of which you have played it. That, in fact, that's the part of the live broadcast that we had. If you followed us, you know what I'm talking about. We have listened to that. I told you I'm gonna just play it without analyzing it because I believe that things will unfold. A lot of response and reaction is gonna follow up. So reacting and responding to that may be too soon. So now Jeto have come out and he says something, and that is why we are here. So I'm gonna play it. There are two different videos, two video. So he released it himself. I took it from his page. No, this one is direct from his page because I don't want some of you will be on comment section. Maz, why are you sharing this? Maz, do you think it's a good for share? He himself posted it on his Facebook. So I took it from there. It is still there. Now, like I said, I'm not going to say much. I want you to listen to everything he says here, trying to respond to those who share that video. One thing he has confirmed it that is his voice. Okay? So no more, don't tell me AI anymore. He himself has said is his voice. Like I told you, I don't believe the people that we listen to on that live broadcast. I don't believe them because of their past activities. Okay, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. We are going to go straight to the program now because I don't want it to be too long. I don't want it to be too long, to be honest with you. So let us just start from this one. This is the first one he made. He said this.
The wonderful people of Biafra, the lovers of freedom all over the continent, I greet you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching me from. I greet all of you. This is AKA Gentle the Yahoo. I am alive today to make this broadcast clear to the hearer of my people all over the world. To make my people to understand this, I come up today being Thursday, 31st July 2025, to express this incident and to make my people to understand the truthful it is. And I have come up today to debunk all these things once and for all. And I believe I cannot speak on this anymore. I am taking this my word directly to the people of Aro, Izog. Let them hear this and hear it clearly and understand it very well. The incident that happens in Arondi Izog, it does not concern me. I don't know anything about it. But since it have come to a point that voice I gave to my boy being Angel Makeup since last 2 years, now that this incident has happened, the people have gone and revoked the voice and bring the voice back so that it will match with their plans over Gentle the Yahoo. Now, I want to challenge the people of Aro Izogo for them to go anywhere they want to go and confirm this. My name is Esiba Fambo Ifeanyi Chukwu Okorienta Eze. Journey through the traditional, journey through ordinary Igbo. When I know this my name, John Ese Ofuma. Whether Muabu Ifeanyi Chukwu Okorienta Eze, And where come see where near any of my men order je wa anybody is og je wa gboro me innocent people is og je gboro me anybody is og ma enwe kam si wee kpaa nkata enwe kam si wee dupu anybody je gboro me anybody is og unu jụchazie dị ese ka hapụ ile deceive ndị a na-edeceive because the enemies, the bad ones, the wicked ones, the politicians, the evil politicians in our Zog, I hope that an opportunity have called for them to probe gentle, to tide their atrocities. Let me see gentle the Yahoo. Now they have went and bring up a voice I recorded during the time Arrow Zogo through Okis of Fire. The voice I put to my son during Okis of Fire with his men. We are fighting me without done anything to them. I put the voice. Follow this place and attack them over that place. The same way they kill my own people, my own men, Bin Sonny. They kill my guy at what is that? Nkwachi. They kill my men at Nkwachi. They kill one of my guy at Nkwachi. Then I plan to go and attack them. But later on I see that killing the innocent, killing the civilian can never dish me out something. It can never give me anything. I later ordered my men for them to retrieve back. Now all those areas I mentioned the name, is there any event, is there anything that happens over that place? Is a question. Then how does it be that something happens towards this area? A voice I put to my men since last 2 years, they now revise the voice back. Just to make sure that they are still deceiving the people of Arondi Zog. Just to make sure that they are still deceiving my own people. My in-laws, Mua Ojan to Yeblito Nam Noketa Ejem, Nyoda, say Baboro innocent people. God forbid bad thing. I can never try it in my life. People that I am protecting, people that I am fighting for. That is why I come up today, being Thursday, 31st, to make it clear to the understanding of my people and to the hearers of my people, for them to hear and understand. For all these evil ones pushing my in-laws, being around this Zogo, for them to understand where these people are going to. Okis of Fire, we came back. Okis of Fire, I believe around this Zogo, you pay unuwere abara. Okis of Fire deny your distance, but on Okis of Fire jela abara. Okis of Fire swear lawyer dendo. Unamara na hini lem na gunu wokuashe. Okis of Fire called me and the Zuma the Rock and told the Zuma the Rock that we should not mind the video that he has been doing in the Obletiti, that he wants to use this video to collect money from Arondi Zog, which all these things are politically. Nkemua ujentola no gelayola politics. Anything I'm gonna get back, Jebaya Nafa, Jedress anywhere. Jebaya Nafa, Jedress anywhere. Okis of Fire told us that we are together without knowing that Okis of Fire is there deceiving the people of Arondi Zog. Without knowing that Okis of Fire is there collecting money from Arondi Zog. Without knowing that Okis of Fire is there fighting against his own people. Okis of Fire, you said that I am a small boy. I have gotten all the things that you have said. Okis of Fire, you are my boy. You were my boy. Okis of Fire, bullet, mbo, kineje buterai. But obagoju manya, man, bear it in mind that Nigerian government, all these politicians that are using you, tomorrow they must dump you. Understand? All the whole money you collected from Arondi Zog, all the games that you people have been playing with the Chinas and Woru, I believe Chukwu Kabiama that only but one day, all these things, all the things that you people, all the atrocities, all the evil that you people have been committing in Biafra land, calling us all sorts of names, calling us criminals, kidnappers, and all that. I believe that the truth must surely come out one day. It's a very painful something that innocent people were massacred at Arondizog unnecessarily. God must intervene, and God must expose all the people that behind all these things. God must expose all the politicians that behind all these games. Arondizog, I must make it clearly to you people. The reason of them doing all these things, listen to me now. They will kill people, they will behead people, they will come out, they will be calling out on this Ogo. Let us contribute money, contribute money, contribute money. We will call army, we will call army, we will call army, we will fight these people, we will fight these people. After contributing the money, they will now share the money, put it inside their pockets. They will now carry soldier and also fight for your own people, destroy your own people. After destroying the people, the soldiers will now go. The Fulani in uniform will now leave. Ojugi Manya, but I am out today to debunk all this nonsense once and for all. One alpha, Jan anywhere, Jan any abara. When my name, if I chuku Okorienteze, that is my full name. Janu Jaba Alpha anywhere only Yabafa, with this name I gave to you people. Maka Gento, Aka if I chuku Okorienteze, aka Gento the Yahoo. I am only after my enemies, the enemies of Biafra, the enemies of the land, the enemies of Biafra land. And now they have seen what has been going on now. Any place in Torega today, there I will go. They are still searching for Janto at Okigwa. Tomorrow they will hear about me in Abakaleke. From Abakaleke to Anambra. I am going there. I am going there, right round I'm going. I am not afraid of any man. And I can never be afraid of any man that can kill it only this flesh, that can never touch my soul. I am only afraid of him that can kill it the flesh and also have the soul. And secondly, I can only be afraid of the gods of the land, Mwala Biafra. For me to be afraid of any man in this earth, they never born that man, they never born that person for life. They never born her. So please and please, Ndogom Izog, Unekwezileka, all these enemies, let deceive un. Unekwezileka, all these enemies, let deceive un. Unekwezileka, all these idiotic human beings, let regun. Unekwezileka, and they are feeling how we Izog all alone. Now when anybody get
now, let's continue with the second part.
Obacha, Abuakwanomba, come on, that is the only thing that makes me to come up today, being Thursday, 31st of September 2025, 31st of July 2025, if I am to mistaken. Please and please, I love my people, and I am fighting this fight for my people. I brought my life out for my people. I put my life for my people. I am endangering my life for my people. How can I come up and the people that I am defending, the people that I am protecting, I will not be turning around, killing them? For what reason? Chineke bileligwa norea akam docha. Gani anywhere unu chori je wega, but anybody wa wera ham jela bara. La jugese. My head ota always yoku. You in a moment hika. Okpukpo ge family gi. Okpukpo ge mwana Biafra yemepo onu lomila. Ola honu ha wela achunwa nke mmadu. Lenwe go nyomejo. Na mputara elu ogu. Sino, these atrocities, this evil, this calamity, this Fulani caliphate, this Fulani jihadis, this Fulani invaders, that enough is enough in Biafra land. That is why they are fighting me tooth and nail. And that is why they have been using my people against me. Just to assassinate me, just to humiliate me. And my people, it can never work. And it can never happen. Thank God my life is not in the hand of you people. My life is in the hand of Chukwu Kabiam. It's in the hand of Chukwu Kabiam. So please and please, join us Ofuma before I may here. The voice has been trending all over the area, all over the world. It has been trending because of voice in Janto. It made it clearly. Thank God it has no date. The voice, I drop it, and I said yes, I dropped the voice. The voice was dropped since last year during the time that my man has a problem in Arondizog. During that time, they bring one of my men down. That was when I dropped that voice. Manabia Mbetole Chanian, very come up one night, one Namuku. Ossi, now will it ever come one year, not be one mayor. Now William Macambo 1 year, or be one mayor. I just look around, think around, move around, check around. I said, no, man, come back. Let us forget about it. Now, this incident has happened. Everywhere. That is the reason why I came up today to debunk it. That I did not do such a thing. And I can never engage myself in a thing like that. That is my name. God bless the people of Israel. God bless Biafra land. God bless all lovers of freedom all over the continent. God bless everyone. God bless all supporters of Biafrans all over the world. Thank you and God bless.
All right. So that is the message from Commander Gentle, the Yahoo. This message is somehow good. I know some people will find a way to criticize it, but it's not about what you think. It's about the right thing, to do the right thing. Anyway, I am not gonna say much like I promised. So this is his own way of debunking that, and he admitted that he was the one that sent that voice. So my people, tell me what you think about it. Are you contented with it or not? God bless you. Please like the video and let me hear from you on comment section. See you. Bye bye for now.